Mini centrifuges are compact laboratory instruments used to separate substances based on their density through the application of centrifugal force. Understanding their typical applications can help you determine whether they are suitable for your experimental needs. Here are some common scenarios where mini centrifuges are utilized. Typical applications: biological sample preparation, usage. Purifying DNA, RNA, and proteins from biological samples. Advantage: quick and efficient sample preparation for downstream analysis. Cellular component separation, usage. Isolating cellular components such as nuclei, mitochondria, and membranes. Advantage: high-speed capabilities enable rapid separation of cellular fractions. Clinical diagnostics, usage. Blood sample processing for clinical tests. Advantage: small volume handling makes it ideal for point-of-care testing. Microbiological research, usage. Concentrating bacterial cultures and isolating viruses. Advantage: versatile rotor options allow for handling diverse sample types. Environmental analysis, usage. Preparing environmental samples for chemical analysis. Advantage: compact size facilitates fieldwork and mobile laboratories. Nanoparticle characterization, usage. Separating nanoparticles from solution. Advantage: precise speed control ensures accurate size fractionation. Forensic science, usage. Processing forensic evidence, such as blood or hair samples. Advantage: high-speed capability enables rapid sample preparation. Conclusion: mini centrifuges are versatile tools used in a wide range of applications, from biological sample preparation to forensic science. Their compact size, high-speed capabilities, and versatility make them valuable assets in many laboratories. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.